What's up, guys? So welcome back to the Daily Entertainment Bar Show right here on GH TV. So if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do so by clicking the subscribe button below, and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime we drop any new content, you will be the first to be notified. So today's bars, you have Afia Schwarzenegger begs Nana Addo Addo to sack Kwabena Okyere Darko for having a hand in the kidnapping of the Takoradi pregnant lady. For the past 3 days, the alleged kidnapping of Josephine Payin Mensah has been in the news, with so many conspiracy theories popping up. The carpenter who found the lady after she reappeared disclosed that she wasn't pregnant when he found her. A police statement also claimed the lady was lying about being pregnant, but some videos and pictures that have surfaced online clearly showed the woman with a heavy belly. Now, from the information we know, after the husband of the kidnapped lady was interviewed by City News, she already had 2 kids and was pregnant with a third. He hasn't made it clear she has no reason to lie or fake a pregnancy or kidnapping. He also added that he didn't understand why the regional minister Kwabena Darko won't come and ask him, the husband, about his wife's pregnancy and rather forming their own opinions. Reacting to this, Afia Schwarzenegger, who also is appalled by the whole issue, has called for the minister to be sacked because he is a suspect. Afia Schwarzenegger posted the picture of the Western Regional Minister and captioned it, "Dear Mr. President, we need sensitive leaders and not idiots. Therefore, we plead with your reputable office to send this man home to serve as a warning to everyone who thinks Ghana has been given to him for work and pay. Sack Kwabena Mensah now and have him investigated. He is a suspect in kidnapping of the pregnant woman. This one will be roaming about answering to Honorable SMH." That's shaking my head. Okay, guys, what are your thoughts and opinion about this particular issue? Can you drop it in the comment section below? And let's get interactive in there. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.